Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, I'm in a place called Salt Lake, right? And the environment, looks like this. And I spotted this, biryani shop here. It's called the Mezwan Biryani, right? Now, just look at this huge pot of biryani, guys. They have so many pots here, right? It's crazy, guys. So, it's in a place called Salt Lake, right? Well, let's go speak to these brothers here and explore this shop here, right? And guys, if you love biryani, you let me know in the comment. And if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go, guys. Right guys, so I'm in a place called Salt Lake, right? And they have this biryani stall here, right? It's called the Mezwan Biryani, okay? So this shop is like very famous here in Salt Lake, right? People love to, eat this biryani. It's crazy, guys, and the taste is amazing. It smells amazing, right? So this brother is here. Hello, bro. कैसे हैं आप? Okay, it's fine, guys. Look. So they have chicken biryani and mutton biryani, right? And you see that brother there, right? In black shirt, he is the owner of the shop, right? Look at that poster there. Look guys, so if you love biryani, you will definitely, love this. So this is just one massive pot of biryani here, right? They have another pot there. They have another pot there. Look guys, people love to, eat the biryani here. So just look at that, huge quantity of parcel they just, bought from here. And just look at this, huge quantity of chicken. It's crazy, guys. So this is just one pot of biryani here. They have another pot there, another pot there, another pot here, right? Another pot is like, cooking over there. So this will finish within no time. And you see this rice, they have soaked the rice here, So throughout the day, they all, they only serve biryani, People here in Salt Lake, they love to eat this biryani. It's called the Mezwan Biryani. So if you come to Salt Lake, guys, come and find this brother here, Come and find him here, right? And they give you this salad with the biryani, right? Hello, bro. How are you? कैसे हैं आप?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Good. Nice to meet you, brother. Okay. So this is how it is, guys. So right now the time is about 12 in the afternoon. Okay. Let's say by 1, this place will be super crowded, right? There won't be any place for you to sit or stand like nearby. Just look at this huge quantity of biryani pots here. It will all finish. They will cook again. It will finish, And let me just ask the time. भैया आप लोग कितना बजे खोलता है? What time you open the shop?
12 PM.
12. Okay. Until what time? कितना बजे तक? 10:30 at night. Okay. So guys, they start the shop, they start selling the biryani around 12 in the noon, right? But they start preparing it from 10 in the morning, right? So it's crazy, guys. There's a place for you to sit inside, right? So it's gonna be 12, right? And within like half an hour or 1 hour, right, this place will be all crowded. There won't be any place for you to stand here as well, right? So all of this biryani will finish. They will cook again. As you can see, there's rice. They have soaked the rice. They keep cooking the biryani, till 10:30 at night, right? And this is the office area, like where I am at the moment, right? It's called the Salt Lake, right? This is how it is, guys. And this is the menu chart here, right? You get egg mutton biryani, and special mutton biryani, chicken biryani, Look, guys, you can even order for marriage and occasional order, right? Accept it. So see this brother here? That's him there. He's a cool dude, guys. If you come to Salt Lake, come and find him. So this is how it is, guys. So you see this chicken here? This is pre-cooked, right? It's almost cooked, right? So when they cook the biryani, they'll put that inside the biryani, guys. So well, if you go straight from here and take the left and go straight, you'll reach to a place called RDB, right? The shop is right here. As you can see that, Paparazzi. This is just opposite Paparazzi, Come and find this brother, guys, if you love biryani. Alright. Okay, brother. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Right, guys. So, that was me trying to show you, the street biryani here in Kolkata, right? Well, if you love biryani, chicken and mutton, come and find this brother here in Salt Lake. Come and do try his biryani. It's your friend John, guys. Let's make memories, love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. Please subscribe. Bye bye, guys. Look, guys, this place is slowly filling up, right? Right now the time is about 12:24, right? So by 1, this place will be full pack, guys. So this is how it is. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next vlog. So guys, they have chicken and mutton, right? Just look at this huge pot, right? It's crazy.